Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope that you have banked good profit today. Let me share with you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through a live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel and let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. And if you look at the EURUSD, and even today we haven't seen any big move, price still developing a consolidation. And if you look at right now, price sort of developing a falling wedge, so this is the sign of reversal, but we'll see next week. So today we have a one long trade here, very counter long trade here. Afterwards we had, price came back and said to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, this support, then we should be taking a short trade here, otherwise there's a possibility of reversal. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. And if you look at here, we've been short from yesterday. Let me share with you guys, you can see here from yesterday we had this beautiful short trade here. Today when the price was at the major support, we were expecting a long trade here. I'll explain to my trader. Let's see if the price is going to break the previous high, which price nicely broken and give us the confirmation long here. Eventually the price we hit here. We bank a few pp's on counter trade on EURUSD. At the New York session, as you can see here, price nicely reversed, and as soon as the price develop a false breakout, as you can see here, that I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break above this level, you can see here, and develop a false breakout, then possibility of long, but the safest trade if the price gonna break this level, you can see here, because we are also expecting, if not pullback here, might gonna price develop pullback. But as you can see here, price broken as soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here around this level in 4 hour. That's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. So today we had a counter long trade on EURUSD and pound dollar. As you can see here, we had a beautiful short trade this morning, and after that we also had a pullback short trade here. Price nicely hit to the weekly resistance, and then afterwards we had a counter long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries. And if you look at here, we had a beautiful breakout short trade based on the Asian session analysis. This is the analysis I explained, and this morning we had this beautiful breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain to my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback at this level, which I did analysis instantly once the profit is, as you can see here, explain to me, we have another beautiful pullback at this level, exactly beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the weekly support level, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if you can get another pullback or counter. As you can see here, price reverse and price develop a counter opportunity. Technically we were expecting a pullback here. That's what I explained to my trader. Look here, the price develop another wedge here. If the price gonna break, then we continue short trade here, otherwise counter long trade. As you can see here, price nicely develop counter opportunity, and as soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see how we analyze in 4 hour and exit and entry in intraday. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful breakout long trade here. Afterward we also had a counter short trade here, especially we were long from here, and today the price was at this level, and explained to my trader, as if the price gonna close below this 4 hour, then we're looking a short trade here, otherwise we are looking a long trade here. We were expecting a big move on today dollar CAD, on CAD news, but the news was mixed. As soon as the price developed a false breakout and develop a sort of like a double top, we have a counter short trade here, bank beautiful pips, and the target nicely hit this level. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. If you look at here, we had a beautiful breakout trade. This was the morning session analysis. We had a beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can develop another pattern. As you can see here, price develop a false breakout in intraday, also in 4 hour, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, because if you look at the price section, so we were expecting a pullback at this level, or if the price gonna break, then long here. So that's what we did explain to my trader, if the price is going to break, then short trade here, afterwards keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, We had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price nicely respected at the same level. Beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour support level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you seen that how we analyze market in 4-hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday and banking pips every single day. So as always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with a live audio commentary support, with a live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train every single day through live intraday analysis, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.